Yo, welcome back to another video, guys. Yeah, we have an unboxing for Supreme week. I believe it's 12 or 13. I could be wrong. Let me just double check. Actually, it's been a while since I've uploaded a YouTube video, and we are on week 12. All right, that's good. At least it's not week 13. That would have been crazy if it was. Anyway, next week is week 13. But yeah, we got the unboxing, got the cool stuff, got the AOI jacket, my hoodie that I really wanted for personal, and we also got a pair of Darwins. So let's go ahead and check it out. Before we do that, go leave a like, subscribe, do all that cool stuff because it really does help out, guys. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers, trying to get that partner on YouTube. If we can get that this year, it will be pretty cool. Another story. This is kind of weird saying this because it's got nothing to do with Supreme. This fucking Kendrick shit got me on a fucking chokehold. Like, I've been listening to that shit all day. So I don't know about you guys. Who's winning, Drake or Kendrick? I personally think Kendrick is. Obviously, he's going for the fucking stab. I gotta stop. Anyway, let's get onto the video. Let's check out some unboxings because we got it all right here. I'm not sure which one this is because it's quite heavy. There's like two boxes. So I know one of them's got shoes in, but one of them might have the AOI jacket. So this one has the jacket. I might leave that to last because I think that's actually fun. Okay, we'll show it first. This is a size large. This is a black. It's in a bag. You know what I'm like with it comes to stuff like this because it's unboxing. This is the work jacket, size large in the black. I do have this up for sale, so if you are interested, my eBay link is in the bio. Check it out in the description. If you are from the UK and you are interested, let me know. If you are from the America and you want something from the UK, I think it's probably best to just find it in your own country because you probably get a better, cheaper price, you know, with currency exchange, etc. But yeah, I'm actually going to open this and show you guys this. So, because why wouldn't I? I'm going to take pictures of it anyway. So this is quite hefty, this is a crazy time to be like dropping a fucking jacket very close to summer. But I've still got like a bunch of other stuff, which is, you know, not good. But let's check it out. I hope there's no paper in it. Oh, that looks so nice. There is paper in it. Let me just try it on. I'm not gonna try it on because that's just weird. But we got it. Damn, this shit's fire. You got all the patches, all the embroidery. This shit is gas, man. It's a great winter piece. It's obviously not winter, but it has a 3M tag on it. As you can see, we'll unzip it as well. It's kind of like a washed black, not a full black. Fuck it, should we just try it on? Who will know that I've tried it on? It's still got the tag on it. Oh, this is like a cropped style jacket. This is the first time that I would ever wear jackets that are not for me. But hey, fuck it. I guess people don't really care too much, but I see one YouTuber that just wears everyone's stuff, even if he wears like 2XL. He's like, this is 2XL, blah blah blah. Anyway, I'm gonna do a little turn around. It's very cropped. This is a size large, and I'm like very large. If I was like 20 pounds lighter, this shit would be fire. It's quite tight for a large, not gonna lie. You probably wouldn't want to wear anything else underneath it other than like a t-shirt. I don't think double hoodie in this would be a good idea. I'm not gonna lie, if I had like the money to like spend on myself, I would be fucking keeping this jacket. I'm not gonna lie. This shit's fucking fire. I'm not gonna lie. But I just really can't spend 400 pound on a jacket at the moment. It's not for me. I just bought the mise en mesure. I'll definitely do like a short video or something. I'm sure people will enjoy the content. But yeah, it is for sale. Try it on once. Got the tags on and stuff. But yeah, I'm just here to show it out for people. Look how tight this is. This would not actually... It's very cropped. I'm telling you, it's like a cropped jacket. But it still fits good. Oh, it fits pretty good. I think this jacket is like a 10 out of 10. Probably the sickest jacket I've ever seen from Supreme in a while. I'm gonna like put it back to normal into its dead stock form, hopefully. But yeah. Actually, no, I'll probably do like a video on it soon. But I'll put it in this bag. That is in there. Let's take a look at the Darwin shoes, which should be in here. These are like the same boxes. The Air Force Ones actually come in, so we've all seen stickers. Here is the box. It's in the quick straight box in this particular colorway. This is the camo colorway. I believe this was like the most hyped colorway. It was like my second choice to go for, but oh shit. What the hell? You see how that was like opened? Someone has had their hands on this. Kind of weird because it's normally dead stock, unless it's like really hard to put these in. But look at these. These are the camo ones. What size is this? These are UK 7. If you are interested in a UK 7, let me know, you small feet gang. But yeah, we got the Supreme there. I'll just hide my face so you guys can see it. Got a camo. Let's take a look. These are actually really dope. You got the Nike tag with the Supreme. You got the swoosh, the backwards swoosh, the Travis Scott style. Not everything backwards swoosh is Travis Scott, but yeah, that's what everyone just seems to think about. We've also got Supreme in the insole and the tag on the tongue right there. But yeah, sick shoe. I'll get these pictures up. I do like the fact that on this pair, they had the black contrast. But on the Vault one, they didn't do that. It was just all green. I kind of wish they did that with the green. Otherwise, I would have liked it even more. But hey ho, I think these will do really well. This particular camo style is like Supreme's iconic camo. So you see these, you automatically, people who know about Supreme will know this is a Supreme collaboration. But yeah, I think these are sick. What do you guys think? Do you like the Darwins? I'm not sure how they fit or how they, if they're true to size or not. But I think people are saying that you should go to true to size. So yeah, go true to size. Let's check out my personal. Last but not least, we got my hooded sweatshirt. Now, I will say this, I didn't realize in the description of this hoodie, it said it had rhinestones in it. So I'm assuming that's the reason why the price was so expensive. It was like 178, 183 after shit. I didn't realize that until I looked closer into the pictures. I was like, oh yeah, it's got rhinestones. I never actually thought. I just love the embroidered across it and the fact that this zip up. I like zip ups, I don't know why. It's like breathing out on the fat belly. But hey, gym gains very soon, or weight loss and progression is what I'm trying to do. No stickers, no unique stickers. I didn't know if AOI had a cool sticker pack. That's just a Supreme box logo. But yeah, we got the zip up. This is AOI zip up black large. I can't believe I hit this on a restock. I'm still so fucking gassed. But yeah, let's check it out. So when you actually like hit retail on stuff like this, when it's your personal collection, it's so fucking gas. I don't know if you've checked, but the AOI website itself also does similar styles. Obviously, this is the Supreme exclusive, but this one is much cheaper than AOI's on the website. I'm not gonna lie. Although, to be fair, Japan's yen's kind of collapsed at the moment, so it might work out cheaper. I don't know. The sides. I don't know. I'll do a little zoom in for you guys. You can see the rhinestones. You see them shining. Right there. That's crazy. I didn't realize there was rhinestones on it. But as an added feature, should we say? Let's check it out. I'm going to try it on and see what you guys think. Oh, the back. You got Supreme. Thinking more like the reason why I went for a large was because the Miz and Magella one fit pretty well. And I just assumed Supreme's doing this like crop style. I don't know. I could be wrong, but everything's feeling crop. Or it could be that I'm just fat, but I don't know. Anyway, yeah, this shit's gas. I fucking love this. I'm gonna zip it on. This is with it zipped up. I wish I did like better videos, just so I can. I wish I had like a bigger space because my room is so fucking small. I have to go like all the way here. This is like large. It is quite cropped. If I dropped a few more pounds, this will look really nice on me. I love the embroidery on the sides. I love the rhinestone feature. And as well as the hood. The hood itself is sick. Yeah, looking cool. I love this style. I know AOI has been like with Supreme for quite a while, but it's like the first time that I've actually seen some really cool pieces. They've been a bit like lackluster with the past seasons apparently with AOI. They've just not let him experiment a bit more. They're letting him do his own thing, which is cool. I like it. Yeah, I'm fucking with this. I love this. Second best hoodie, first one being the Magella. Glad I didn't have to pay a resale, even though it's not actually too much. I checked on StockX. What do you guys think of this hoodie? Let me know in the comments, guys. I think this looks sick. Anyway, I'm gonna end off this video. If you do enjoy this video, leave a like, subscribe, do all that cool stuff. I'll do a short video doing the jacket. I'll showcase the shoes as well, and I'll obviously showcase this hoodie as well in like a better format, because I feel like vertical format just works a lot better than landscape or just in my particular location where I don't have enough space. But yeah, things are going to be changing this month, so you'll see a completely new backdrop very soon anyway, so stay tuned for that. Leave a like, subscribe, do all that cool shit. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video. Stay tuned, take care, have a nice weekend, bye bye, peace.